Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On the behalf of principal, staff, students of Iqra Hadikatul Atfal, I, Kamla, student of standard 5th, I specially welcome all of you our annual function 2015. But before I begin this ceremony, I would like to specially thankful Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that give us school Iqra Hadikatul Atfal. It's specially blessing us all the time with our respected principal and teachers. In these years of